Here are 5 surprising things international students should know about Sweden. Number 1. They have the concept of lagom. Sweden has the concept of lagom, which means not too much, not too little, just right. It is a philosophy for living a balanced and a happy life. So being a student in Sweden could be demanding, but fret not because you can also have free time and perhaps have some fika. Number 2. You are free to roam, or allemansrätten. It is a law that gives all people the right to roam free in nature. And did you know that 2/3 of Sweden's land area is covered by forests? And if you're like the Swedes that love to be outdoors, you can see yourself taking a walk, doing camping, or swim in any lake. Number 3. It's one of the most innovative countries in the world. There is no such thing as a stupid idea. Sweden gives much value for innovation that they become best at it. You would be surprised just how many everyday items you use were actually invented in Sweden. As a student in Sweden, there is an app for almost everything from transportation to having discounts in food. In Swedish universities, they also have incubators for students who want to start their own company. Number 4. Sweden is good at recycling. They are so good at recycling that they even import other countries' waste for energy. Did you know that there is even a bottle recycling scheme, or PANT, where people get money back for empty cans and bottles, which is a win-win situation. You get money and you also help the environment. Number 5. Sweden values gender equality. They believe that everyone, regardless of gender, must be able to enjoy all human rights and share the same responsibilities and opportunities. So in Swedish universities, your professor is just likely to be a female as a male, and Sweden is known to be one of the countries in the world with the highest proportion of female-led universities.